Well, it's the 11th of February 2022. I'm just leaving Sherry Eveland's. Here's the tent that she sleeps in. There's the house that's condemned, and that's the other house that they stole. And somebody got a trailer back in the back there. He's still living there. He's living in a nice warm trailer. But, you know, this is bullshit, folks. I'm sorry, but something has to happen. I took it, got it to the food bank. I took it to the library, looked up some stuff, made a copy of the application for her to become the executor of Sheriff Dalton's will. Well, there was no will. It's no will, no estate, no money, no nothing. And it just shows you never, ever, ever trust a lawyer, because they only have one thing in mind: their own personal best interest, and that of the corporations that they represent. They will do anything to frustrate justice and deny our citizens our rights. This is sad, but reality hits the road, and there's not much we can do about it. So, and we're going up here, right up the road. Here's Tom Armour's farm with William Riddle and the Cecil. The same judges, the same lawyers, all got together and they stole his grandfather's 130-year-old farm, horse farm, with forged documents and falsified documents. I made many a video and made many court appearances with him. Once again, nobody will help you when you get robbed by white-collar criminals. It's a sad state of mind. I did what I could do today. It's going to probably cost me around $200 and travel expenses and food and court papers that I picked up from them. It's just unbelievable that these people think that they can get away with this trash. The land of the free and the home of the brave. That's what I was always taught to believe when I was a child. Respect the Constitution and the rule of law, the Bill of Rights. Not one of our victims has ever received justice in any of the courts. Every one of them has been robbed of their homes, their children, their livelihood. Sherry alone has lost over 18 years of $18 million of her father's estate. And we don't know because there was never any accounting for anything. We can only go by the documents and the land records that we have. I did find out this week that West Virginia has another 64 acres of property that's been concealed. Here's Tom Warner's property.